Prime Minister Narendra Modi has held a telephonic conversation with India's newest Paris Paralympics medalists and has congratulated them on their big achievement. Prime Minister has also spoken to Kapil Parmar, who has bagged India's first ever Paralympic medal in judo. He has won bronze in the men's 60 kg. Let's in fact now listen in to their conversation.
From Madhya Pradesh.
कपिल बाबू कैसे हो?
एकदम मस्त.
जय जयकार कर रहे हैं आपका.
अरे सर जूडो से.
All right, joining me on the broadcast is my colleague Mehndi Garg. Mehndi, very good morning to you. As we know that the medal tally count for the Paris Olympics for India continues to mount. Big congratulations to all the viewers and also all the Olympics. Now, Kapil Parmar has bagged the bronze in judo, and now Prime Minister Narendra Modi has in fact also spoken to him on the phone, congratulating him and the entire Indian team contingent for having performed so well in the Paris Paralympics.
Well, firstly, Simran, good morning to you as well. And you know, it's a very proud moment for India as India's medal tally at the ongoing games has got to 26, featuring 6 gold, 9 silver and 11 bronze medals. On this appreciation, also Prime Minister Narendra Modi has held a telephonic conversation with the India's newest Paris Olympics medalists, congratulating them on their achievements. And you know, Simran, during the call, PM Modi described their victories as the biggest gift to the country. If we talk about who were in the conversation included, then medal winners Harvinder Singh, Kapil Parmar, we mentioned earlier, Pranav Surma, Sachin, Sarjirao Khilari and Dharamveer. These were the Paralympians with whom Prime Minister Narendra Modi has had a telephonic conversation. And you know, the PM has expressed his admiration for the athletes' performances and also acknowledged the significant role their coaches played. And also, this is now the highest number of gold medals India has ever secured at a Paralympics event, Simran, surpassing the 5 golds won in Tokyo in 2020. Additionally, it is the most total medals ever achieved by India at the Paralympics, outdoing the 19 medals won in the previous Tokyo Games. And if we talk about Kapil Parmar, as you also mentioned, then he has won a bronze medal in the men's 60 kg J1 contest by defeating Brazil's Eliton de Oliveira, and Parmar executed an ippon in 33 seconds, securing the bronze medal in a swift manner and marking India's 25th medal at the ongoing games. If we talk about Harvinder Singh, then he also claimed India's first ever gold medal in para archery at the Paralympics. And Simran, also Harvinder triumphed over Poland's Lukas Cizek in a decisive 6-0 final. So this is a very big for him and as a country for us as well. And Sachin Khilari earned a silver medal in the men's shot put F46 finals, achieving a 16.32 meter throw, which also set an area best, and Khilari narrowly missed out on the gold medal by only 0.6 meters. And Simran, India continued its series of double podium finishes with para-athletes Dharamveer and Pranav Surma winning gold and silver medals respectively in the men's club throw F51 finals. And you know, Dharamveer's record-breaking throw matched India's 5 gold medal tally from the Tokyo edition and set a new Asian record with a 34.92 meter throw. And Pranav Surma secured the silver medal with a throw of 34.59 meters. So not only Prime Minister Narendra Modi, but as a country, we all are very proud of all the athletes who have managed to win the medal.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.